And we are in front of a Rapido 606F, and now we shall be entering and getting a clear look on how this camper looks and if it's a good option for you. So now you can check the actual spec sheet. The actual price of this Rapido 606F is 81,420, and let's enter inside to check the interior. This wide opening with the Peugeot Fiat Ducato styling, and then with wide sitting area and also foldable dining chair, foldable dining table, with a little large, and also we have a drop down bed where you can actually sleep two people there and additional two people here. Large cabinets for all your belongings. We have two burner stoves with the actual sink, and on this side we have a Thetford fridge, pretty nice and wide, and also additional storage up here. On the down part we have a slide out for your kitchenware and additional slide outs. So this is actually a pretty deep space to store all your kitchenware. And this door is actually dividing from the back side, and this is actually a pretty wide bathroom with separated sink, a big compartment storage unit, and that's pretty nice. And also we have the sink and cassette toilet. I'm going outside, sorry, is going outside to take a look also to the garage compartment. And this garage, let's make some measurements. It's 2 meter 104 long and about 0.8 large. Pretty nice looking Rapido camper, half integrated.